quand j'étais petite.
Stop apologizing. Stop minimizing yourself. This is your year, and I want you to feel just as confident as Blake Lively in the film A Simple Favor. Today's look is inspired by Blake's character, Emily, and we're gonna pretend that she's not as crazy and insane as she is in the film, and instead we're gonna focus on her positive attributes. She's unapologetic, super confident, and she makes her presence known. Which is why I added a touch of glam to this look, but I did keep the colors neutral, which is a lot like Emily's style. And with that, let's get right into this look. Alright, I've got my regular base on, and then I'm just prepping my eyes really quick. We're going to use the NYX Contour and Highlight palette for my entire face, so cheeks, hairline, eyes, everything. And I'm starting with the cheeks, the hairline, and then catching that double chin with a little dark shade. Next, I'm grabbing some light color to kind of prep my eyes to take the rest of the color I'm applying. So brushing that all over. Next, I'm going in with the browns. Pick out a couple of your favorites and go from light to dark on the crease and then a hair above, just blend it out. And then you'll see I'm going to pick up the light color again just to get that pop back on the eyelids and brighten the eye area. We'll also be adding a little Fenty Glamour in just a sec. So add a quick line to your lashes just so you can get your falsies on there and well blended. I'm also just doing a natural feel on my eyebrows before I go ahead and pop on my falsies. Oh, and then I always do this, guys. You know I love a black waterline, so I've got my Urban Decay Glide On pencil. And I'm just going to add on some eyelashes really quick and let them dry. Fenty, this is what I'm talking about. So this is a highlighter. It is in Trophy Y from Fenty. I love it. It's amazing. I did my cheekbone and then a hair above, plus I'm adding it to the corner of my eyes, again, for that glamour, to open up the eyes and just kind of go really fierce with this look. And then for the lips, I am going to downplay them a little and keep them neutral, so I've got NYX Butter and e.l.f., just a topping gloss. I'll list them both below for you, and we're all set. Onto the hair. So it's a little bit of a hot mess, but I'm going to start with a detangler to get it to make it a little bit more manageable, and then I'll brush it through with a wide tooth comb. From there, I will pick up a little bit of balm to help with flyaways, and then to help me with this little rollback twist that we're doing. So I'm just grabbing the front section and adding little bits of hair as I twist backwards. I'll secure that with a bobby pin, and then I'm going to grab my straightener after I pin this to curl the little piece that I left kind of right in front of my ears. And really, I'm just going to repeat this exact same thing on the other side. It's going to take a little bit longer. I need to separate my bangs, and then I need to brush back all this hair. And there's a lot more because my hair is parted on one side. So after you comb that back, just grab a section and start your twist. Slowly pick up little pieces of hair. Be sure to leave that dangling piece so you can give it a quick curl. And then you can tie it back either in a small pony or a bun, depending how much hair you have or the length. Lastly, I'm just tucking my bangs back, and I'm going to secure them with a bobby pin, and we are all set. Okay, so before I get dressed, I did want to talk you through my outfit choice. I didn't buy a complete suit. Instead, I just pieced one together. So the blazer is actually a gift from my sister-in-law. It's from Express. The shorts and the vest are from Forever 21. The vest is going to be the trickiest thing to find. Take your time. It's going to be worth it. It's going to give it the business look. The shorts, as you'll see, are really structured, but they're soft and stretchy. So they're a great pair to add to your wardrobe just because you're comfy in them, but they look really structured and formal and serious. Also, I did want to do white. It's such a power color. You know you're not eating spaghetti or carbs in it because you cannot spill. So it's fierce, and I'm going to hop into it and put this whole look together. Alright girls, are you feeling fierce? Well, before you head out for that iconic martini from the film, be sure to hit that subscribe button so we can hang out again soon.